You don't have to be a Harvard student to study like one. They're not smarter than you. They're just using these 4 techniques that I will share with you very quickly. The 4th one is my favorite. The secret isn't learning more, it's learning smarter. If you've ever felt like reading but not remembering, studying but not improving, it's because your techniques are ineffective. Here's how Harvard learners absorb knowledge faster than 99% of people. Number 1, active recall. After reading, close your book and recall key concepts. Force your brain to work. Finish a chapter, write 5 key questions, answer from memory, no notes, no excuses. 2, the FAN technique to learn. Read to know, write to master, teach. It's like teaching to learning. Just pick a topic, explain it in simple words. Like you're teaching a 5-year-old, refine until it's crystal clear. That's it. Number 3, the 50-10 rule. You don't have to grind for hours. Study 50 minutes, break 10 minutes, repeat. Make it count, no distractions. Keep your phone on airplane mode. Do it 3 to 4 cycles. For peak efficiency, your brain will become sharper every day, and science proves it, that it helps you boost your focus. Number 4, environment. Most important in my opinion. Your brain links places with habits. Find distraction-free zones. Choose one dedicated study spot like desk, library, or open space. Keep it clean, quiet, and tech-free. Add white noise or classical music. Search it on YouTube or Spotify. Finally, you have the techniques to conquer. Follow it to make you and your parents proud, rather than scrolling blurry Instagram feed. Want to level up even more? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your number 1 study struggle, and let's crush it together.